Video is set up to describe importing and extracting a list of zip codes by map object on the map. It's important to understand that boundary zip codes, which are represented by these areas on the map that have boundaries, are not all zip codes. There's also point zip codes, which represent large building, military installations, hospitals, and that kind of thing. So the first thing you need to do to get all zip codes, boundaries, and points in a map object for extraction is get those data points on the map. So we do that here in Map Business Online by using the Plot Data button. Click Next. Choose the server option down below as opposed to going out and navigating to a file. Choose the public data folder. Go to the bottom of the public data folder and select the most recent version of zip codes. We plot those on the map, and those are going to include all of the boundary zip codes and all of the point zip codes, and they'll be represented. You can see in the data window there's a type column, point boundary, point boundary. And so all those different zip code numbers can be one or the other. Once they're on the map, you no longer need to visualize them on the map, and you can simply put an object on the map, which in this case is a circle. Again, that search data data layer selector comes up. Pick the data that you just imported, zip codes 2019, which you can see matches over here. Click Next. We'll call that zips. We'll call it all zips by object. The object, of course, is the circle on the map. That's our map object. Click Create, and you can see we've now got 2371 as the count of all the zip codes within that circle, and they're exportable by clicking the Export Data button and saving that to your desktop. Go to mapbusinessonline.com, take our free trial,